Hello, and welcome to the U.S. Botanic Gardens Orchid Greenhouses. Today I'd like to introduce you to some of the greenhouses in which we grow our various orchid collections. Today I'd like to focus on our Cattleyas greenhouse, where we grow our Cattleyas species, several hybrids, and several related genera that grow under similar conditions in their natural environments. As you'll see, many of the plants in this greenhouse have very thick, almost succulent leaves, very large pseudobulbs in which they can store water and nutrients. Accordingly, we keep this greenhouse relatively warm, with conditions ranging to about 60 degrees at night Fahrenheit and up to around 80 degrees during the day. Humidity is kept relatively high, around 50 to 70%, although these orchids tend to prefer to dry out in between watering. In addition, we keep this greenhouse shaded at around 50% to ensure that they get plenty of sunlight, stay relatively warm, but not too warm, whereas to burn their leaves. So thank you for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed.